Introducing the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, a new era of AI-driven foldable innovation. The Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is not just a foldable phone, it's a bold declaration of how software, AI, and design can work together in perfect harmony. With this device, Google takes its Pixel DNA, known for unmatched photography, clean Android, and intelligent software, and folds it into a futuristic form factor that's smarter, sleeker, and more capable than ever before. Designed for users who demand power, portability, and productivity in one elegant package, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold redefines the Android flagship experience for 2025 and beyond. Let's start with the display, which is easily one of the most impressive aspects of this device. The 7.9-inch LTPO OLED inner screen offers a crisp 2K resolution, vibrant color reproduction, and an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate that shifts intelligently based on the task at hand, whether you're scrolling through social media, editing a 4K video, or reading an article. HDR10+ support ensures every movie scene looks dynamic and lifelike, and thanks to Google's optimizations, colors remain accurate across both the main and cover displays. The 6.3-inch AMOLED outer display is equally impressive, designed to be fully functional on its own for quick tasks, messaging, and calls, without needing to unfold the device. Performance-wise, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is powered by the Google Tensor G4 chipset, built on a 3nm process, and designed specifically to unlock the full potential of on-device AI. This chip is not just about raw speed, it's about intelligence. With the G4 at the helm, features like Live Translate, Magic Editor, voice typing, photo unblur, call screen, and even smart battery management are faster and more intuitive. Whether you're switching between apps in a split-screen layout, or letting AI help clean up your photos, Tensor G4 ensures everything runs smoothly, securely, and with minimal battery impact. Speaking of photography, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold once again sets the standard. On the rear, it features a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP periscope telephoto lens, all tuned by Google's computational photography magic. Whether it's the detail in low light conditions, the dynamic range in high contrast scenes, or the realism in portraits, the Pixel camera system continues to deliver results that rival DSLRs. The device supports 10x optical zoom and up to 30x super residential zoom, letting you capture distant objects with surprising clarity. Features like Magic Eraser, Real Tone, and Motion Mode have been enhanced with new AI capabilities, and even the dual 11MP selfie cameras, one on the cover and one on the foldable display, offer 4K video, excellent skin tones, and depth-aware portrait mode. But a powerful phone means nothing if the software experience doesn't match, and here, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold shines. Running on Android 15, the experience is as clean and fluid as you'd expect from a Pixel. Google has optimized the OS for foldable multitasking, allowing features like dual-pane apps, floating windows, drag and drop between apps, and adaptive split screen. You can open Gmail on one side and YouTube on the other, or run a document editor while referencing a website in real time. Android 15 also introduces deeper AI tools, including contextual replies, on-device summarization, and even automatic transcription in meetings or lectures, all processed privately on the Tensor chip, without relying on cloud servers. Battery life has also received a massive upgrade. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold houses a 5000 mAh dual-cell battery, ensuring it can keep up with a full day of work and play. The device supports 45W wired charging and 30W wireless charging, along with reverse wireless charging, so you can power up accessories like earbuds or smartwatches. Despite its foldable design, the battery optimization with Android 15 and Tensor G4 means you can easily get through a day of mixed use, from photography and media to video calls and multitasking, without scrambling for a charger. In terms of build and durability, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is a refined masterpiece. Google has implemented a new carbon-reinforced hinge mechanism, which is thinner, lighter, and rated for over 400,000 folds. The outer shell features a combination of recycled aluminum, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and an IPX8 water resistance rating, meaning you can confidently use it in your day-to-day environment. Despite being a foldable, it doesn't feel bulky or fragile. Instead, it feels like a premium flagship that just happens to fold. One of the most exciting aspects of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is how it integrates with the Pixel ecosystem. From seamless pairing with Pixel Buds and the Pixel Watch 2, to smart home controls via Google Home, and cloud-free backup through Google One, it's all designed to work together. The device also comes with 7 years of OS and security updates, continuing Google's commitment to long-term device support and sustainability. In a world full of foldables that focus only on hardware, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the only one that fully marries form, function, and intelligence. It's not just about having a foldable display or flagship specs. It's about giving users tools that make their lives easier, more productive, and more expressive. Whether you're a creative professional, a productivity power user, or just someone who appreciates stunning design and smart software, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold delivers an experience unlike any other. So, if you've been waiting for a foldable that actually makes sense, one that's smart, sturdy, and seamlessly integrated with the future of Android, the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is your answer.